Yo, you already know I'm back at it again. Double up out here. I'm gonna pull up on you anywhere you at. You wanna pull up in the parking lot? Let's pull up in the parking lot. I'm gonna pull up at the store, let's pull up at the store. We got a 22, this 22 or 2013? 2014. Look at me trying to take a year out of this thing. Hold up. Don't downgrade me, upgrade me. Hey, double up in front of you. Boot leather auto repair, you know I'm pulling up on you wherever you at. Pulling up on Uber, on Lyft, I'm pulling up. We're finna give it a chance out there. Purge valve, simple repair. As long as you got the right tool, you can follow instructions, you can do this yourself. Show you how to get this thing started. Already I removed the oil cap. Move your oil cap. Take your time, pop up your shield. Once you get your shield up, you just want to slide it back to you like so. Put it off to the side. Second of all, you gonna come. You got your it's I guess you could say heat shield, another heat shield, second protector. You gotta get these two. What's the colors out of there? I'm gonna get them out right quick. So as I remove that shield, I set off to the side. It allowed me to see all of this, but the part that we gotta change is right here on the side of the motor. Sitting right here at the top, and it has a 10mm bolt in it. Back that bolt all the way up and out, which I already got out. Squeeze that wire right here. Squeeze your plastic clamp right here. Just squeeze it real good, and it should slide up off there. Gotta push it, and that come off like that. Boom. Once that come off, you just pull that valve up out the side of the intake. It's gonna come out easy, so you gotta wiggle it on out. It come out like this. Then you got the wire harness on the back of it. You gotta unplug. Some of them be tricky, some of them don't. This right here, you just lift up on the pin right there, and then slide it out. Can't do it with one hand. Grab that ball, man. Got the customer helping me, and that's how it come out. You lift up on that tab, and then we're going with the new one. Hey, same way you take it loose, same way you put it back. You got a simple repair. It's easy. As long as you got the right tools, you can get it done. If you don't have the right tools, you're gonna tear something up. Get at your boy. Book me. Double up. Auto repair. Hey, I'm out here, man. Boot leather.